What's going on, guys? Today is Sunday, November 15th. My name is Barry Mohan. I'm a moderator at awesomecalls.com. I started this video log where I'm going to be putting out weekly swing videos so that I could try to help traders along the way. Some of them are going to work out, some of them may not. That's why we have stops. And so let's go through what I like for this week. I like fold for an upside move this week. I think that this little flag here, right there, is being broken to the upside. So I'm looking at fold here again long. We took fold long at 775, sold over 10. But now I'm looking at fold again. I'm thinking your target on this one this time maybe somewhere around 12, 12 and a quarter. So fold long into this week I like. Second one that I'm looking at into is obviously UVXY. I was in this one at $25.63. I sold at $40 on Friday after I heard the news about Paris. My first reason for getting into this one was obviously, I'm a technical trader, so it's all about trends and breaking trends. So once it broke that line down here, that's when I got into UVXY. And I've been holding it since, and then I was expecting to get out obviously around this 50 over here, which sits around 41, so I kind of hit my target anyways. But I didn't want to hold into these times right now because I just didn't feel morally right about trading into it. Will it gap up on Monday? Probably will. I think it pops a little bit, then probably fades off a little bit. There's going to be people that's going to sell into it. There's a lot of bag holders from this area and this area that are gonna want to take some of their money, so even if it pops, it's gonna definitely fade off some. Also, we're looking at Disney. I like Disney short. A lot of people may disagree with me on this one, but technically I'm looking at Disney for a short based off this dark cloud cover over here. Then it gapped down, then this gap down over here, so I'm looking at Disney short. If you do play the Disney, have obviously stops over that trend line over here, so in case it goes over, then you can get out, or you could even do stops all the way up top here to make it a double top formation. But I'm definitely short Disney into this week. I also like PTCT long. I like this one long. A very nice little formation going on here. Played this bottom over here, and it should keep you alive on this trend. Playing for a break of the 50 over here. Your first target area is about $35 on PTCT. I like GRMN as a short. It broke the flag here. It broke the trend here to the downside. So I'm definitely short biased on this one. So we're looking at this. You got the 3 black crows over here, so I'm looking at definitely more downside. Even if it pops, you add into that short position. So for GRMN, I'm short. JNUG, I want to be long here this week. I like this one here long. Let's see if we can get this blown up a little bit. Oh man. Let's see if we get this blown up a little bit here. Possibly not. So, maybe if I just do a 1 month. Okay, here. This channel here on JNUG is what I'll be playing into. Very tight little channel that it's playing here. I expect gold to pop a little bit this week due to all the volatility that's gonna come in. They're probably gonna hedge it with gold. So I'm gonna be playing JNUG this week long. First target, just to fill this gap here, is gonna be a point. But my ultimate target's gonna be about $45 on JNUG long. I'm also looking at some oil stocks. I think that oil's a little oversold, but it still probably has some ways to go down. So I'm looking at FCX as one of my longs. Let me see. Okay. FCX is one of my longs. I'll be trying to get somewhere down to the bottom here. I think it definitely has some way to go down still. So maybe if I get FCX maybe about $8 or so, I can definitely start to take a position long into that. And I also like UGAZ. I actually picked up some of this one on a swing on Friday at $3.82. I'm playing this trend here which isn't a huge risk, and definitely down to the bottom here, which is the double bottom. I'm expecting it to hit. So I picked up some at $3.82, and if it comes back down to this area, I'll probably pick up some more, risking down here on UGAZ. Amber has just been getting shredded, but that's just the case across the board with a lot of bios. I'm thinking Amber pulls some more. I just don't see this bottom here holding much longer. So I'm looking at Amber to pull some more. And I'm actually I don't know if it's gonna go down that low, honestly, but I really have some pretty low targets for Amber. So let's see if we get it to pull down some more, and then maybe we can start loading up on it for a long. But for now, I think that Amber is going to pull back down a little bit. I don't think it's going to come down all the way down here, but we've seen other stocks go crazy before. So we've gone through RLYP, UGAZ, FOLD, AMBA, PTCT. Okay, this PSTG, I've been looking at it. I like the fact that it went up, and now that it's kind of slowing down over here. I like this formation over here, just based off the candle formation. There was really nothing else to go off of. It is kind of testing to the upside of this downtrend over here. So if you do want to take some of this PSTG long, this would be your flag formation that you're playing into. So you're gonna be exiting your strategy here, and then you're looking first for your first break over 1750 area, 1759 area, somewhere around there. And if you get that break, then definitely this one has more upside here to $20. So I like this PSTG is a data storage type company, so I like this to the upside. And that's pretty much it. My ideas on the general market as it comes into futures are going to open in an hour or so. I think obviously gap down at the open. This 50 over here is going to get tested real quick. So eventually I do think that the Dow Jones come back down over here to about 16,800, somewhere around there, and then we'll see what happens. If it breaks over here, then obviously I'm strong bearish then, but till then I'll be playing the regular stocks coming into tomorrow, and I'll definitely be looking at futures tonight to see what's going on with the general market. I'm not bullish or bearish on this market. I'm actually short-term bearish right here, maybe for this week, and then if it holds this trend over here, then I'll just come back in. Not a long-term investor, so I'll be playing the trends, and I'll be bullish and bearish at the same time if I need to be. So that's the top over there. It got hammered over here with that Harami and gap down. Then what is that? Harami again. Harami engulfing, gap down. Broke the 8. So now it's going to look to test down here on the 50. Then it's going to look to test this trend line over here. Is that all going to happen tomorrow? I don't know. I can't tell. I'm not a mind reader, but obviously everything's signaling that this is definitely going to be a strong down day tomorrow on most of this stuff. So keep an eye on most of that for tomorrow. Generally, this is what I'm going to be doing on a week-to-week basis. Next week, then I'll have a lineup where we can go over the stocks that I just went over as far as long and short, and see how they worked out, and then we can maybe change strategies or add something or take away something. Definitely, if you have any remarks, comments, things you want me to look at, things you think I should eliminate or add, let me know. Leave a comment somewhere. I'll be posting this on the YouTube, and then we'll have it on Twitter also. So anyways, my name is Barry, and if you don't already know, that's my Twitter right there, BarryMohan81. You can give me a follow. And so that's it for this week, and I will talk to you guys next week. Thank you.